Well, now that fall is here, I've decided I'm gonna do an unboxing of my workhorse torpedo heater. So, I bought this thing on sale in maybe about a year or two ago. So it's just been sitting in my basement, mainly because when I bought it, it was oh, there's a spider. It was kind of out of season. Pretty thick manual. Oh wow. Nice parts list. Pretty nice diagram. Even has wiring diagrams. Okay, enough of that. Gotta pull all the stickers off. So far, pretty easy, no big deal assembly. Just screw this handle on. I'm using kerosene. These things do have the capability of running on diesel or kerosene. They can also run on aviation fuel. It'd be kind of some unusual circumstances if you're running it on aviation fuel. Maybe you're in the airport or something. Mainly because aviation fuel and diesel and kerosene are all very similar fuels. So it really doesn't care. Yep. Kind of hard to fill, being on the ground like that. I hear it firing up.